Let's look at the calendar view. The calendar is where you will be able to view both pending and approved time off requests. Every rectangle on the calendar represents a request. If a request occupies a single day on the calendar, then it is a full day request. If it spans across multiple days, then it is a multi-day request. If the rectangle is transparent, then it is a partial day request, meaning that the user has only taken part of the day off. When a request has a question mark on it, this means it is a pending request. The manager has not yet changed its status. One way to approve a pending request would be to select the request from the calendar and click on one of the action buttons at the bottom. If it is approved, the user who entered the request will be notified. To edit or cancel a request, select an already approved request from the calendar and click the respective button at the bottom of the screen. If you want to cancel a single day in a multi-day request, select the request from the calendar, select the day you want to cancel from the drop-down menu at the top, then click the Cancel button at the bottom of the request. At the right side of your screen is a list of all pending requests. They are listed here so that you don't have to scroll through the calendar to find every pending request. The process is the same. Click on a pending request and change the status of the request at the bottom.